All right, so all right, so we've got idle booted up here. So let's go ahead and import requests. So here's how you download an image. It's not too bad. So import requests, response is equal to, and then I just need to find an image you need to download, right? Suppose you have an image you want to download. I got to find out where that is. So let's go and look at Firefox. Right, let's open up Firefox. In fact, let's go to Firefox, right? Go to Mozilla's webpage. I'm sure they've got an image somewhere that we can download. In fact, yeah, let's go ahead and, in fact, open up the page source. Oh, that's cute. Interested in having a job with us? Here, you can apply this way. So, or you can contribute as well. Let's go ahead and look for a PNG, right? So, see what that was. There we go. That's a banner. So we'll go ahead and use that for copying. Okay. Let's just say that's the URL wherever we want to download. So we've got be requests.get, right? This URL. Okay. Right, so we got that. So we got the request now. Now I need to open a file somewhere. So open. Let's go ahead and see if I can open it this way. So I'm going to open a file this way. home/my_file.png, and it's going to be written, and I'm going to write it to binary, right? Because it's so we're going to write the file, hence the W. And then let's go ahead and, yep, so let's go ahead and configure this, by the way, so that we've got a bit more, so the size is a bit better. Let's go with 16, probably way bigger than it needs to be. Okay, there we go. Open my file, write to binary. That needs to be somewhere, right, I need to save that as basically something I can access. My file. No such directory, myfile.png. Yeah, I am running on Linux. Does not like that? What? Slash. No such file or directory. Right, should be tilde. I mean, I'm trying. That's what I was trying to do.
You're trying to save it from
The home. Yeah. The issue is that where am I in Python? Right. The question is where am I? So I will go ahead and actually open this up as a new file because that's the issue with using idle. Save as. Oh no, it should be fine. I think it's running in my home folder. Okay. So myfile.png. Okay. Open that. Boom. We're good. Let's go ahead and so we've got a file now for chunk in the response, right, that we got back. My file dot write chunk, where chunk is just a group of data. And so it takes all this, it's writing it at a kilobyte at a time. So it took a while. Okay, my file, so it's done now. My file dot close. Okay. Now if I go and exit out of this, I'm gonna have to tweak this slightly. Let's go ahead and now list all the files. I've got a PNG file called myfile.png. Open up my files. Okay, And if we look, I've got a file there, right? So that's how you, so it's fairly straightforward to download a file. It's that you just write chunks, like you would write chunks of anything else. So downloading a file in Python is fairly straightforward. So did that answer your question, hopefully? With how to write files?
Can you show me that code?
Yeah. So new file. So a new file would be, let's go ahead and see. Suppose you've got some target, right? Def download pick, or actually download, this will download anything, right? Download anything given the URL, right? Import requests, and this will save it to save path. So this will save it wherever you want it to go. So it works like this. So res is equal to, so first we request the thing that you want, request.get URL, right? And then we open up the save path. And this is assuming that we're, well, actually, because we're doing a write to binary file, this will save an image, right? Save file. Okay. Now for chunk in your response, save file dot write the chunk. Print. We don't need to print anything else at that. Then we save file dot close. Right. Okay. And now we need to so now we need our URL to download again. Right, which I'll grab from here. So download comma test, and the path I'm going to save it in is test.png. That's where I'm going to save it to. Right, so now if I run it, it runs. It doesn't produce any output except that it's got an output here, and it's just done that. So it's very straightforward. Basically, what it's saying. So this whole for chunk in response, it's breaking it up into kilobyte. Basically, it's breaking up into kilobyte pieces sections for it to essentially process and save to disk. That's all that's going on there.
It's doing
Mm-hmm.